In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Fortnite crash on PC. This issue tends to be caused because your PC doesn't have enough available resources to run with the current game settings. Start by closing as many applications as possible. Be sure to open the Hidden Icons menu and close applications there by right-clicking and choosing to exit or quit. Next, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard at the same time. Type %, local app data %, then press enter. Scroll down and open the Fortnite game folder, then go to Saved, Config, and Windows Client. Right-click on the Game User Settings file and choose to rename. Add a 1 to the end and confirm the name change. Open Fortnite and the crash issue should be fixed. If Fortnite still crashes, then delete the new Game User Settings file and remove the 1 at the end of the old one. Next, open GeForce Experience if you have an NVIDIA graphics card. Go to the home page. If you don't see Fortnite, then click the 3 dots and scan for games. If you still don't see Fortnite, then open the filters and select Hidden. Hover over Fortnite and click Details. Click the tool icon. Drag the slider to the performance side, then choose to apply. Wait for the process to finish, then launch Fortnite. If Fortnite is still crashing, then open the Epic Games launcher and go to your library. Click the 3 dots under Fortnite, then select Manage. Click Verify, then wait for the process to finish. Open Fortnite and the crash issue on PC will now be fixed. Like the video if you found it helpful and check out another Fortnite video here.